Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a delicious cheesecake fruit salad. In case you guys want to know how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so for this salad you can add your favorite fruits. I'm going to be adding all of the fruits that are in season. So we're going to keep it a little bit more tropical. And we're going to begin by chopping our strawberries. Going to add some kiwis. So just peel them. And then into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to be adding some fresh mandarins. And this is how you peel a mandarin. You poke it in the middle and you peel. So I'm adding about 6 mandarins and just peel them into little wedges. Okay, I'm going to be adding 2 mangoes. So we're going to peel them. So now we're going to cut our mango. Okay, so we're also going to add papaya. So we're just going to peel the papaya. Okay, so cut into slices. And then into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I'm also going to add canned pineapple chunks. So once we have all of our fruit nice and chopped, now we're ready to make our cheesecake. Okay, so to make our cheesecake, we're going to begin by beating 3 packets of cream cheese. Just make sure that it is at room temperature. And to that, we're also going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And of course, if you don't want it to be too sweet, just add half of it. Okay, I'm going to add a splash of coconut extract and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're going to beat it together. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our cream cheese should be nice and creamy. So now we're going to add half of a container of Cool Whip. Along with 2 vanilla puddings. Okay, 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. And the juice of half a lemon. And now we're just going to mix until everything is nice and combined. Okay, so once we have our delicious cheesecake filling, now we're ready to put our fruit salad together. Okay, so we're going to add our mangoes, papaya, strawberries. Just make sure that you mix it all. So just mix your fruits with your cheesecake. I should have got a bigger bowl. Just going to fold it in. Okay, so once we have everything nice and mixed together, now we're going to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Alrighty, so after 30 minutes, we are now ready for the fun part. Okay, so I'm going to begin by adding some canelitas, and these are just cinnamon cookies, but of course you can use graham crackers. So I'm going to put it on the bottom of my cup. And now we're going to grab our delicious salad and top it. Okay, so I'm just going to top it with some cookie crumbs. Some sweetened coconut flakes. And a cherry on top. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious cheesecake fruit salad. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love fruits, I love cheesecake, so this is the best combination of both worlds. It's perfect for spring and summer or just any occasion. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Like I said, you can add whatever fruits you like. If you want, just make it strawberry and banana, then just make it with strawberries and bananas. But it's just the best. Cheers and enjoy. My cherry went rolling. So good. It's so creamy. And it's not too sweet. It's just perfect. You enjoy every single bite. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious cheesecake fruit salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.